Baby, I'm playing on you tonight. Hunt you down, eat you alive. Just like animals, animals, like animals.
궁금해서 물어보시는 거죠?
And maybe you think that you can hide.
사람들은 직접 눈앞에 보여야만 믿기 시작하거든요. 제 피 죽였다가 아니라 살렸다는 걸 부셔야죠.